Hello, and a huge warm welcome back to the Chatterbox English channel. I'm Elena.
And I'm Pavel. It's great to be here. Today, we're diving into a big and exciting life event that can also be a bit stressful, especially in a new country.
That's right. We're talking about finding and renting an apartment, or a flat in English, from searching online to signing a contract. Pavel, you're moving to a new city for work soon, right?
Yes, I'm excited, but also a little overwhelmed. I've been looking at rental websites, and the odds they use a special language. What does cozy studio and up-and-coming area really mean?
Good question. In rental language, cozy very often means quite small, and up-and-coming area might mean it's still a bit noisy or not fully developed yet. It's a positive way to describe it.
I see. So I need a dictionary for real estate odds. What are the key words I should look for?
Look for phrases like fully furnished. That means it has furniture and usually basic appliances. Utilities included is very important. It means the cost of water, gas, electricity is part of the rent. And security deposit. That's the money you pay up front as a guarantee for the landlord.
Security deposit. Okay. So I see a good ad. What's the first step? Do I just email, I want this flat?
Usually, you call the number in the ad. It's faster. You should be ready with a few questions. Let's practice. I'll be the landlord or agent. Call me about the sunny one-bedroom flat on Maple Street.
Okay. Hello? Is this about the flat on Maple Street?
Yes, it is. The viewing is tomorrow.
Great. Could you tell me, is the flat fully furnished and are utilities included in the rent?
Excellent questions. See, you sound professional. Always ask, when is the viewing, what is the exact address, and how much is the security deposit?
Got it. Now, the viewing itself, what do I do? Just look around and smile?
Be observant. Check the water pressure in the shower. Turn on the taps. Look in the corners for any damped marks. And ask questions. For example, how old are the kitchen appliances? Or what are the average monthly bills if they're not included? What if I see a small problem? Like a crack in the wall?
Points it out politely. You can say, I've noticed this here. Will it be repaired before moving in? Or could this be noted in the inventory? That's a list of all items and their condition when you move in.
Inventory. Okay. Let's say I love the flat. Then comes the contract. It looks very long and official.
Never sign a contract you don't understand. Key things to look for: the lease length, that's how long you rent for, the break clause, which is how you can leave early, and the tenant's obligations, your responsibilities, like paying rent on time and reporting repairs.
What's a polite way to ask about something in the contract?
You can email and say, before I sign, I'd like to clarify point number 5 about the garden maintenance. Could you explain what my responsibilities are?
And finally, let's imagine I've moved in. After a week, the kitchen tap starts dripping. How do I report it?
This is very important. Always report in writing. Email is best. Be clear and polite. Dear landlord's name, I'm writing to report a small issue in the kitchen. The cold water tap is dripping constantly. Could you please arrange for a plumber to look at it? Thank you.
So the key is to communicate clearly at every step, from the first call to reporting problems.
Exactly. It's about being a good and responsible communicator. Let's do a quick review. Repeat after me. Key phrases for reviewing.
Is the flat fully furnished?
Are utilities included?
Are utilities included?
What is the amount of the security deposit?
What is the amount of the security deposit?
Perfect. With these phrases and a calm approach, you'll find a great new home.
Thank you, Elena. This takes away a lot of the stress.
You're very welcome. Good luck with your search. And to all of you, thank you for learning with us. Remember, your new home is out there.
See you in the next conversation on Chatterbox English.